In this video, we're gonna go through overview of very interesting app, Mastodon for iPhone. So, uh, yeah, this app is a decentralized social network. Social networking back in your hands. Join millions of people today. You're in control. You decide who you see in your home feed. No surprises. So this app is kind of in opposition to Facebook conglomerate of WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Instagram. And the idea is that it's decentralized. There are thousands of servers which have different moderators, and this way each server has its own rules and moderators, and it's open, no ads, no fees, no hidden algorithms, no one is pushing some hidden messages. And this app is customizable, privacy minded. There is no access to the data and all of that. So that's basically how it works. So something like that. So Mastodon is the largest decentralized social network on the internet. Instead of a single website, it's a network of millions of users, independent communities that can all interact with one another seamlessly. So you can join a community and create your profile, find and follow people. You can express yourself with custom emoji, images, GIFs in 500 character posts. So the posts are also have more character count than Twitter, for example. Mastodon is built with a focus on privacy and safety. There are more features. There is dark mode, there are polls. You can explore, there are notification, sharing, and the symbol of the app is an elephant. So anyhow, let's just dive into the app. I was just trying to explore a bit here. So here's the app. It kind of looks similar to Twitter, but again, the main feature is that there are so many servers and they are all controlled and not controlled but moderated by different people. And when you create an account, you just select one of these servers. There are countless servers. And also this app is open source. So it just has a link to GitHub profile with all the code which is used in the app. So everyone basically can copy that code and create a copycat of Mastodon app. So that's what you can do as well. And it's also the benefit of the app because, recently Elon Musk purchased Twitter and he wants to make Twitter algorithm open source as well. So this is a growing trend because especially on social media, people really want to know what's going on. Why this post has like tens of thousands of likes and other post is hidden in the feed and people can see it, like which type of content is promoted or not by algorithm. And it's kind of like at the core of like how more you can trust the social apps. So yeah, this is the app. You can just go to any account. You can follow, unfollow. You can mute, block, report, share. You can see posts and replies. You can see about. So similar as on Twitter. There are just settings icon. You can turn black mode. You can disable animated avatars. Use default browser to open links. You can edit your notifications, link to GitHub profile as I told. So you can everyone can go to github.com/mastodon and then just, see all the details about it. This is a repository for the official iOS app for Mastodon. You can install it from the App Store now. So that's basically it. You can see all the contributors. And basically some other apps and quite popular apps are using this official script. So for example, like True Social app is just using Mastodon script, I think, to install the app. And it works. So there you have it. Basically also, if you want to reach out for support or you have some issues with the app, you can just open a new issue here and just open open a support ticket here. So that's basically what you can do. because there is no option to reach out to support or to moderators in other ways, so I didn't find out how to do that anyway. Then there are account settings. You can see your account status, you can change your password, you can see all the sessions, you can move to different account, move from a different account, and if you want, you can delete your account. If you want to delete your account, you can just tap here and then just proceed with deleting your account. So that's what you can do, but just look carefully because you will not be able to restore or reactivate your account. Username will remain unavailable. Your post and other data will be permanently removed. Content that has been cached by other servers may persist. So that's that. Then you can create your own post. So something like that. You can add photos list, you can add images, you can write some warning here, and then you can also select who you want to mention, followers or public. So this is a similar feature as you have on Twitter, and there is a different character limit, like 500 characters. Then you have your notifications. So someone is already retweeting me. You can see your mentions, but like, can you also DM someone or send messages? I'm not sure. So at this moment, it is only possible to follow someone, but it is not possible to send messages or DM someone. Also, there are some complications in case you want like to change your username. I don't know how to do it. So here you can change your profile picture, you can change your full name. That's what you can do, but I don't know how to change username. And there is no support team because the app is decentralized. So you can probably, again, just reach out on GitHub or just mention someone or something like that. So that's what you can do, at least that. That's the idea. That's what you can do. So yeah, that's the app. Basically, the main advantage is that it's decentralized, but it's not yet based on Web3 or blockchain, Ethereum. It's not DApp or like decentralized app as they call it, but it's just have all these different servers, and there is no like humongous Facebook who is controlling everything, and there is no like ByteDance or Facebook or like Google or some other massive corporation who is just taking control about all the servers and all your data and running ads. And so it's not there. So that's basically what it is. That's the app. So definitely create an account. It's free. You can easily do it just with your email. And just enjoy the content. You can select different servers, you can add different people, follow people. So that's the overview. Hope you enjoyed it. So subscribe to my channel, like this video so more people can see it, so more people can enjoy the decentralized social media. It's good to have different social medias, different opinions with people who can see that and enjoy this app. Thank you for watching.